So you're thinking of moving to North Atlanta, Georgia, maybe Cumming and Alpharetta? Well, in this video, we're gonna take you around Cumming and Alpharetta. We're gonna show you two properties in Cumming, listed around $600,000, and we're gonna show you two properties in Alpharetta in Windward Subdivision, which is one of the most amazing subdivisions in Alpharetta. Now, both these two properties, they are in the same subdivision. It's called Greystone at Windward, and they were initially listed at $675,000 and $625,000. Of course, after being on the market for 15 days and 35 days, they lowered the price. Now, if your price point is between $550,000 and $650,000, we're gonna take you to a few neighborhoods and show you around so you can see what may fit with your budget. If you stick around until the end, I will share with you the best kept secrets of this neighborhood that you definitely don't want to miss. And we are getting after it right now. If this is your first time to the channel and you want to understand everything about living in North Atlanta, Georgia, then subscribe below and tap the bell for notifications so you can be the first to know about the current market in North Atlanta, Georgia. My name is Livia Bica with Keller Williams, North Atlanta. We get calls and emails every day from people just like you looking for help on making their move to Suwanee, Alpharetta, Cumming, Johns Creek, or Sugar Hill, and we absolutely love it. Whether you are moving in 9 days or 90 days, give us a call, shoot us a text, or send us an email. All the information is in the description below, so we can help you make a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So as I mentioned, today we're gonna look at two properties in the $600,000 range in Cumming, which are in Lombard High School District, which is 10 out of 10. And we're gonna look in Windward Subdivision in Alpharetta at two properties listed, above 600, but right now they are at 600 or 625, and they are in Alpharetta High School, which is 8 out of 10. Amazing high school in Alpharetta. And Windward Subdivision is one of the most amazing subdivisions in the heart of Alpharetta, very close to Georgia 400 and very close to Avalon, which Avalon is like a small city, like a small community in a big city. Amazing experience and entertainment in Avalon. Actually, at night, we're gonna go there to show you. They have a music night tonight, and we're gonna go there to show you how much fun people that are living in Alpharetta, that they go to Avalon every single night for the specials, for the entertainment, patios, restaurants. Also, we're gonna show you in Cumming Cumming Fairgrounds, which is an amazing location. They do festivals, they do carnivals. So right now they had actually an amazing festival with carnival rides and music, entertainment. So we're gonna show you that just to see, maybe for those of you that cannot decide, do I want to live in Cumming or do I want to live in Alpharetta? Maybe like that you can decide, and we can help you. Make sure you give us a call so we can help you for a smooth move to North Atlanta and the beautiful suburbs. So first, let's go in Cumming, see these two properties, gorgeous properties, around $600,000. So we are at our first stop. This home right here was listed at $649,000, and after 94 days on the market, they lowered the price at $634,000. This is a 5-bedroom, 3.5 bath, approximately 3,000 square feet, and price per square feet will be $210 per square feet, and taxes are $3,700 annually, and there is an HOA of $584 annually for the swim and tennis. We are in Summit at Brookwood Subdivision, very close to McGinnis Ferry Road, and actually 8 minutes drive to Windward Subdivision, which is one of the most amazing subdivisions right here in Alpharetta. Now, this property here has a Cumming address but belongs to Lombard High School, which is 10 out of 10, South Forsyth 8 out of 10, and Brookwood Elementary, which is 8 out of 10. So today we're gonna see this one. We're gonna see actually two homes in Cumming in Lombard High School District at $600,000, and we're gonna see two homes in Windward at $600,000. Now they were listed a little bit higher, but they lowered the price after being on the market for 15 days and 30 days. And I just wanted to see and to compare, what can you find in Cumming and this price range in the 600, what can you find in Windward Subdivision in Alpharetta. Now, Alpharetta has an amazing shopping and entertainment. For example, for if you want to go, we're gonna go actually in Avalon in the night. They have a music night tonight, so we're gonna go and check it out later so you can see. And Cumming also has Cumming Fairgrounds, which they have festivals and amazing, carnivals going on there. So we're gonna go there also, so I can show you how Cumming Fairgrounds, the festival that they have there. So from here, let's go to the second stop in Cumming, right next to Windward Subdivision. So we are at Summit at Brookwood. As you see, here is the pool and the cabana and the 2 tennis courts right there. Gorgeous subdivision, very close to Windward Subdivision, like 8 minutes driving, very close to McGuinness Ferry Road, which is one of the busiest streets right here between Alpharetta and Johns Creek. So from here, we're gonna actually go and see number 2 home, which is again in Cumming, very close to this location, maybe 5 minutes driving from here on McGuinness Ferry Road. So a beautiful home at $575,000. Now from there, we're gonna actually go and see the 2 properties that I told you in Windward Subdivision. So let's go after it right now. So today we are in Cumming, very close to McGuinness Ferry Road. This beautiful subdivision is called Preserve at Brookwood. We are actually 7 minutes from Windward Subdivision in Alpharetta, which is an amazing subdivision. But today, let's look at this amazing property. This was listed at $600,000, and after 29 days on the market, they lowered the price at $575,000. 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 2,300 square feet, built in 1997. So price per square feet will be $250 per square feet. And this beautiful home belongs to Lombard High School District, which is 10 out of 10, South Forsyth Middle School, 8 out of 10, and Brookwood Elementary, which is 8 out of 10. Taxes for this property are $4,140 annually, and there is an HOA fee of $550 annually for the swim and tennis. Let's go inside and check it out. From here, we're actually gonna go see a beautiful home in Windward, listed again at $600,000. But first, let's go see this one inside. Okay, we are in Windward Subdivision. This home right here, it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 2,700 square feet, built in 1994 with an unfinished basement. They were initially listed at $625,000, and after 15 days on the market, they lowered the price at $600,000. Taxes are $3,542 annually, and there is an HOA of $812 for the swim and tennis in the subdivision. So gorgeous, gorgeous. We are in Greystone at Windward, which is very close to Avalon, like 8 minutes driving from here, very close to Georgia 400, shopping, dining, downtown Alpharetta, amazing subdivision. This home right here belongs to Alpharetta High School, which is 8 out of 10, Webb Bridge Middle, which is 8 out of 10, and Creek View Elementary, which is 8 out of 10. From here, we're actually gonna go see another one listed at $600,000 right in the same subdivision. So let's go inside first in this one and check it out. We are in the basement. Check out this amazing basement. So we are in Windward Subdivision, which is an amazing subdivision right here in Alpharetta. This home right here was actually initially listed at $675,000, and after 35 days on the market, they lowered the price at $625,000. This is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, approximately 2,500 square feet, and it has no basement. So price per square feet will be $247, and it's built in 1995. Very nice curb appeal, beautiful property inside. So 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath. Now taxes for this property are $3,148 annually, and there is an HOA fee of $850 annually for the swim and tennis. This one has a master on the main, a little bit small, but it's cute. We're gonna go inside actually and check it out. Now we are in Windward, which has amazing schools. This property belongs to Alpharetta High School, which is 8 out of 8, Webb Bridge Middle, 8 out of 8, and Creek View Elementary, which is 8 out of 8. Amazing school district right here in the heart of Alpharetta. Now let's go inside and check it out.